Hello, now I'm starting to give you some instructions on operating the machine. First of all, you switch the master switch. The machine is starting. Now for operation, start the on button. Now the machine is on. And now you have a variety of possibilities to operate the machine. This one is the controller, the heat controllers for lower and upper platen. The heat controllers will be set like follows. You can switch the arrow buttons up and down, and after a short break the temperature will be taken over. Once again, this was the interruption. For elevating the pressing table, you push the up button. What you hear is the pump is operating, the hydraulic pump is building up the pressure. This one is in connection with the device for switching the pressure, the internal pressure. For example, we can choose 200 bar. I operate the machine. You keep your finger on the button till the pressure has been reached. That's it. You can rise the pressure from this level to a higher level, and this is the limit at 400 bar system pressure. The system pressure is not identically with the specific surface pressing. It's the oil pressure which is on the hydraulic cylinder. For your understanding, 400 bars are 200 kilonewton. This is 20 tons. The maximum is 20 tons. Don't exceed the limit. The limit is 400. If you exceed the limit, the pump will operate continuously. That is not good. It's not allowed to have it operated over the limit. So if you want to lower the platen, just push the down button. The machine opens. And for releasing the heating, you have to switch the heating button. Now the heating is released and the machine would heat up until 200 degrees will be reached. This is the cooling button. If you connect the cooling with the water, it will release the water flowing through the channels inside the pressing platens. This is the master. It switches off the heating button. You hear the noise? The noise is the switch off of the heating function. This is showing some fault in the heating system, and it's showing red light when you start the machine. This is the emergency brake. If you lift the machine on, it will be released and stop every movement. This button only stops the movement. Just pull it to unlock the emergency brake. If you release it, it will stop the motion of the pressing table. It does not stop the heating. So heating would be continuously working. Then there's some extra. We have these bars on the side of the platens. These bars are for mounting some kind of tool or inserting platen. And there's another thing to be watched. Please don't grease the columns. The columns are greased by the guiding boxes. The guiding boxes have a self-greasing plastic material inside, so there's no need and it's not allowed to grease the columns. This is the electronic switch which interrupts every movement, but it does not interrupt the heating function. I show you if you move upside, it will interrupt the movement. So it's for security reasons to stop the movement, and the heating could not be interrupted. It is not allowed to detach the frames of the windows. Please leave the frames always inside. The material is a security glass. The material of the door is security glass, which will protect the user. So that's all for now.